1.5, I have it here, 1.5. I call it 3 times. Once, twice, third and final call. Are we all finished? Are we all done? We selling, sold. 1.5 could be a lot more in the next 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. 31 Heatherbell Avenue, Point Cook is absolutely a charmer. Let's go and check it out. This fabulous family home is all about space and is set on approximately 420 square meters of land and inspiring the family living. Location will tick all the boxes with Featherbrook School and Shopping Centre at walking distance, and its leafy street appeal would absolutely make you fall in love. This timeless residence has an exceptional layout and would please everyone. 4 spacious bedroom with resort-style grand master and a spacious walk-in robe, and the ensuite itself would impress. Soaring ceiling heights and a kitchen is something special the chef of the home would appreciate. Smartly designed in nature, walk-in pantry that you may have ever seen. Multiple formal and informal living zones and a separate study nook. With ample natural sunlight and wider hallway and tile floors, low maintenance front and the backyard, and a lot more to offer. My name is Jazz Singh from Jazz Real Estate EV Group in Point Cook. We can't wait to see you at one of our inspections.